What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in to Stock Essentials. My name is Alex. We're going to be going over how I make 1K per week in my Robinhood options portfolio. So as we can see on our screen here, my portfolio size has grown to around roughly just over $80,000, which is quite a lot and bigger than most people have. But this strategy can apply to you eventually. So I basically try to aim for 1% per week. If I take a look at my weekly, I make about 1K a week off of 1%. So I'm not looking for anything crazy, just small, consistent gains. And 1% per week, that's assuming that's consistent, that's around over 50% per year annualized. Which is a pretty significant return considering the average return in the market is roughly around 10%. So anything above, I think 20%, I'd say is a pretty good success for this options portfolio that I have here in my Robinhood account. As you can see, 1 month we are up 2%, around 1.6K. In the 3 month, we're up around 10%, 7K. So we're doing pretty good. We're going to be going over the top stocks that I actually sell options on, and how you can apply this strategy to your own account, regardless of how big it is. You are going to need a few $1,000s of capital to do the strategy, and basically it's doing the wheel strategy, selling calls, selling puts on stocks, and I've been doing very well with AMC. Now, I know it's a meme stock. I know a lot of you think it's pretty risky, but if we take a look at the 1 year, it's been holding it pretty well, which is very good when you're selling options. You want the stock to remain as flat as possible, and that's where you're really going to see your profit potential. So AMC, that definitely fits the criteria for now. We don't know, of course, what the future is going to hold for AMC. But we do know that there's a lot of supporters for the stock, which is very good for keeping the stock price pretty healthy around this $40 price point. And what I do is I just sell, I sell weekly covered calls as well as cash care puts. Now, a covered call is when you have 100 shares of a stock, then you can sell a call option, putting down the 100 shares as collateral. On the other side, selling a cash care put is when you don't own any stock, and you have to sell a put at a strike price, and you put down the collateral equal to 100 times the strike price in case you get assigned shares. You have to purchase 100 shares at your strike price. So let's go over an example on how you can make, let's say for this example, we're going to be doing a November 26th expiration date, which is like a week and a half. And something that I would do would be either this $37 strike or $36 strike, selling a put. You're going to have to put down a collateral equal to strike price multiplied by 100, which is going to be roughly $3,600 or $3,700. So say you have $37,000 in your account, which is a pretty decently sized account. You can make you can make $470 every single week, as we can see here, if we can sell 10 of these contracts every week. And we have a high chance of profit here, as we can see here, 84%. Very, very high chance of profit with a delta of 14. And basically, we want the stock price to stay above our strike price, and that's when you're gonna realize the maximum profit of $470. Now, it might not seem a lot compared to how much collateral you're putting down, but keep in mind that we're selling this week over week, and eventually it does add up, and you can consistently grow your portfolio over time, which is very good for people with larger accounts. So this is a good strategy right here. You could do safer and do the $36 strike, collecting $32 of premium per contract, 88% chance of profit. So very, very high chance of profit. and a very good I would say stable stock, even though it's pretty volatile, just because of how many people believe in the stock and are holding shares. The majority of the shares are actually owned by retail investors, so there's a ton of support and it's really keeping up the stock price. So that's about it for this video. Quick little video on how to make some consistent income, ranging from smaller to larger accounts. So if it helps you in your way, please leave a like, comment down below, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.